the 4 bowls. Yeah, because we want to share.
So I'm here at JY Square Lahug and I'm gonna have a preview of what's in store for Cebuanos here at Ikkousha Ramen Cebu. This is one popular ramen place in Japan, and now they're in Cebu and we're gonna serve Cebuanos some of the best ramen in town. So yeah, let's check it out. So what's so cool about this place is that you can actually customize your ramen. You can have noodles, how soft your noodles is. You want it hard, you want it very hard, you want it soft. You can even pick its saltiness. If you want normal, you want less salt or more salt. It all depends on you. And you could also have some extra toppings like spring onions on it, although at additional prices. Our orders have arrived, and yeah, we ordered a couple of bowls of ramen, some karaage, as well as the chasu, mayo, don. This is gonna be an awesome ramen night, dude. So I really had an awesome dinner there at Ikkousha Ramen in JY Square. I really love the broth there, one of the best broths in Cebu. It's so milky. You know that the pork bones were boiled for several hours, and really it makes a ramen so special, and I think you should check it out.